genetically modified organism is an organism or a living being whose genetic makeup has been specifically altered. For instance, an organism such as maize, genetically improved to take on additional characteristics like plant protection or drought tolerance, so that maize then would not suffer under serious pest pressure because it has now insect resistance characteristics, and would also not suffer more under changing climate that induces things like drought or water stress. To modify a plant genetically requires some specialized training. It takes time, it's conducted under carefully controlled conditions, and then when a product has been generated, like a plant has been genetically modified, then that plant is subjected to rigorous safety assessment. They look at maybe the carbohydrate content of the genetically modified organism vis-a-vis the unmodified comparatively. Then they look at the protein content and also the protein content in the unmodified part. They look also at capacity for this organism to cause allergies, for instance, compositionally, element for element. Then they also look at, is it able to be toxic, maybe if you feed to experimental animals like rats and so on like that, under controlled conditions. And that data, which is generally generated in bulk, is then given to regulators. Look, this is what we found. Genetically modified organism A and the unmodified counterpart B. Look at how they look. They are exactly the same, except what we added to just allow this genetically modified organism to stand the pressure of insects. That is compositional analysis or comparative assessment to show that the unmodified and the modified are substantially equivalent.